Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving you some homemaking motivation that you have been asking for and requesting from me. So here it is. I'm going to be doing some cleaning, organizing, a little bit of decorating and cooking, and I hope that you enjoy this video.
What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance?
I have been a stay-at-home mom for 4 years, but I recently started working from home and I really try to work around the kids' schedules, but sometimes it overlaps. This is 5 a.m. and Jack woke up super early this morning, and so I was just doing my best to try to focus on my work, but yeah, I wasn't able to do that very long. I was super excited to organize my kids' bathroom. This is what it looks like under the sink right now. You might be a mom if you get excited to organize things. So first things first, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit and then get to organizing.
I got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
I just did an extreme declutter and organization in my bathroom, and that is going up next week. So make sure you subscribe right down below and click the little notification bell so you don't miss out on that video. It turned out awesome and I'm super happy with it.
About him, I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. And I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my.
I got this little under the sink drawer organizer from TJ Maxx. It was only like $10, I think, and I'm just gonna use this to organize all of the little bits and bobs under the sink.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking.
Looking back on this audio, it was very echoey, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for you guys. Here, I'm just telling you that these storage tray organizers from Target, I think I got 4 for $1, were really, really good. They have a bit of a silicone feel, but I use them in my bathroom, and I really like them. You like it?
Yes!
I love this little macrame detailing at the top and the bottom. This is from Target. I got these rugs also from Target. And yeah, everything else I had on hand besides some of the storage stuff, which came from TJ Maxx and Target. I will try to link everything below for you. If you find that you are feeling depressed, anxious, overwhelmed, and maybe you really just don't even know what the heck you're doing, Mama, I just want to encourage you because I have been there too. And in the scripture, Titus 2, the Lord talks about this. It talks about being a homemaker. And he says that this is actually a learned skill. This is something that women have to teach other women. And we have to teach them to love their children, love their husbands, care for their homes, have pure thoughts, have self-control. And when we do these things, when we teach these things and we learn these homemaking skills, then we are setting a good example of what it is to be a Christian for other people and for our children. And this scripture really came alive for me about 9 months ago, and I have been going full force in trying to be the best homemaker, mother, wife, and really being intentional with the life I'm living, how I'm caring for my home and my family. If you're watching this video, I just respect you so much because I know you are looking for homemaking motivation. You're looking for something to help you. And I admire you so much for that. I respect you so much. And when you subscribe to this channel, that is exactly what you're going to get. You're going to find something to help motivate you, inspire you, encourage you, and hopefully teach you new things. I'm learning new things all the time, and so I want to share that with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and join the tribe right down below.
Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden.
You'd probably guess by the way my kids' room looks like right now. It hasn't been cleaned in a week, but we try to clean it every single night. It just gets messy so quickly during the day because this is their playroom and it's also their bedroom. So here I am just changing the sheets, trying to make everything look nice and fresh in here. I actually just did a whole organization system in their room and in their closet. So if you want to check that video out, I will link it up above in the cards or in the description box down below for you. I'm actually using a different cleaner than what's labeled on the bottle here. I just repurposed this bottle. Inside is the Thieves Concentrate by Young Living. It is my absolute favorite cleaner ever. It is totally safe for my kids, and trust me, like as a mom that has struggled with anxiety, I want to know that the products that I'm using are safe and they're not going to harm my kids. If they accidentally drink it, all they have to do is drink water. I don't have to worry about calling poison control or anything bad happening to them. And I use it on everything, on their furniture, on the floors, just anything and everything. It kills germs. Like, it's just the best. It smells so good.
'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to,
there's something about having a clean, organized, and fully stocked fridge that makes me feel like my whole life is put together. So we have to do some grocery shopping tomorrow, and I am making sure our fridge is clean and organized and good to go for when we bring all those groceries home.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving.
For dinner tonight, I'm actually making one of our fast family favorites in the Instant Pot. It's ropa vieja. I will go ahead and link the recipe down below for you.
And we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time.
This video is homemaking motivation to help you get it all done. So I'm going to be organizing my pantry, which thankfully wasn't too bad this time. I'm just trying to be as productive as I can while dinner cooks.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started.
This looks and feels so much better.
I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody.
Thank you so much for watching today's homemaking motivation. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye.